In this video, we'll demonstrate how to bring a touch of automation to your Spotify experience with a sleep timer. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that like button if you're eager to learn this handy Spotify feature, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our commitment to delivering content that matters to you. Now, let's get straight to it. Setting a sleep timer on Spotify is a breeze. First, open the Spotify app. Whether you're vibing to your favorite tunes or exploring playlists and albums, the sleep timer adds a convenient touch to your listening experience. Next, navigate to the play page of any song. Look for the three dots in the top right corner, tap on them, and scroll down a bit. There, you'll find the sleep timer option. Tap on it and set the desired duration for your listening session. Once you've chosen your preferred time, a pop-up message will confirm that your sleep timer has been successfully set. And that's it. Your music will automatically stop playing when the timer runs out, ensuring a seamless transition from your favorite tunes to a good night's sleep. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to keep creating content that enhances your digital experience. For more tutorials and tips, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.